Emergencies can strike at any time, anywhere. Severe weather, major traffic events, and even terrorist threats, they all affect how you live and work. To deal with these situations, you need to know what has happened and what actions to take. That's what Capitalert is all about. Capitalert is your portal to a collection of free emergency alert systems provided by the local governments in the National Capital Region. By signing up, you'll receive notifications wherever you are, so you'll be among the first to know when an emergency strikes in your area. And the more you know, the more control you'll have over how the situation will affect your life. Here's how it works. First, sign up with the city or county where you'd like to receive alerts. Click on the map to choose the area you want to receive alerts about. Now, each sign-up page may look different. That's because each local government has tailored the program specifically for its area. Whichever site you choose, you'll be asked a series of simple questions to set up your account. You'll then be asked to select how you want to receive your alerts. You can choose to be notified of emergencies through your cell phone, BlackBerry, wireless PDA, email, or pager. Most cities or counties will also ask you to select which types of emergencies you'd like to be notified of. For example, in some cities and counties, you may choose to be notified about metro rail disruptions, traffic incidents, or severe weather, as well as more region-wide events such as terrorist activity. Many systems let you customize your service even more, so you can get alerts about specific locations within your city or county that are especially important to you. After you've made all your selections, you're done. Your registration is complete and you'll begin to receive emergency alerts as events happen. The number of messages you receive depends on how many types of alerts you have signed up for and how many emergencies occur in your area. All of these features put you in control of the way Capitalert keeps you up to speed on area events. Your local governments have joined together to bring you this new free service. So please, take the few simple steps to sign up for Capitalert notifications. By staying alert, you can stay in control. And that's the best place to be in any emergency.